The most disturbing development this time has come from Ayodhya, and this is with regard to a shocking case of rape that has taken place. A minor girl raped and possibly gang raped, and for months. It only got highlighted when the girl got pregnant. Speaking exclusively to India Today, the mother of the minor girl revealed that her daughter was lured with food allegedly, and the accusation by the family is against Samajwadi Party leader, a 65-year-old Mohit Khan, and his employee Raju Khan. She further revealed that Samajwadi Party leaders and their followers are now threatening this poor family from a very lower economic strata that they need to withdraw the complaint and stay silent. Bharatiya Janata Party has jumped in. They are up in arms over this rape horror. They have met the family and assured them of justice. But the Saffron clan has accused Samajwadi Party of siding with the accused. They have come down heavily on Akhilesh Yadav, the party chief. And because Akhilesh Yadav demanding a DNA test to prove specifically with regard to accusations against the men. In the city of Lucknow, BJP also put up posters against Akhilesh Yadav and invoking Mulayam Singh Yadav's galti remark, where basically he had said that ladko se galti ho jati hai. The poster here said moid hai to galti ho jati hai. So there are a lot of political communal overtones here as well in this case. Listen in to what the family has to say. Remember, it's very intimidating for this poor family, and what the netas from all parties are saying on this.
माता जी, अभी ये डेलीगेशन आए थे लोग, बीजेपी के लोग आए थे, मिले, आप उससे संतुष्ट हैं?
हाँ, सब संतुष्ट है।
क्या बोले, क्या आपने बात किया? आपने कोई मांग किया, उन लोगों ने कुछ कहा?
हाँ, मांग किया, बुलडोजर चलता है, बुलडोजर चले, फांसी लागे बस।
माता जी, जो घटना हुई, ये बहुत दर्दनाक घटना है। इसमें मेन आरोपी कौन था, कितने लोग थे?
मोहित खान और राजू।
अभी भी कोई धमकी वगैरह आप लोग को मिल रही है?
भदरसा लोग धमकी दे रहा है।
अच्छा, कौन भदरसा के लोग? गांव के लोग हैं या कि उन्हीं के घर के परिवार के लोग हैं?
वही गांव एक सब हम नहीं चिन्हित।
मुस्लिम लोग हैं? क्या कहते हैं वो?
मार डाल बहाय दिया, मार के ही सब कहा थे।
रिपोर्ट टेस्ट की मांग किया उन्होंने।
दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलेगी, उनकी पुश्ते भी याद करेंगी, इतनी कड़ी सजा मिलेगी। देखिए, आप भरोसा नहीं रहिए, पूरी सरकार परिवार के साथ खड़ी है और किसी भी स्थिति में दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
अयोध्या रेपकांड को लेकर सियासत लगातार गरमाई हुई है। मुख्य आरोपी मोहित अहमद को लेकर पोस्टर वॉर शुरू हुआ है और बीजेपी की नेता श्वेता सिंह ने लखनऊ के 10 नंबर चौराहे पर एक पोस्टर लगाया है। श्वेता सिंह क्षेत्रीय उपाध्यक्ष हैं बीजेपी के अवध क्षेत्र की, उन्होंने ये पोस्टर लगाया है। पोस्टर पर ऊपर लिखा है, लड़के हैं गलती हो जाती है। सपाध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव डीएनए टेस्ट की बात कर क्या साबित करना चाहते हैं? मोहित है, गलती हो जाती है। मोहित अयोध्या कांड के मुख्य आरोपी का नाम और लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है, ये वो बयान कभी समाजवादी पार्टी के दिवंगत नेता मुलायम सिंह यादव ने दिया था और एक बार फिर बीजेपी उसी बयान के सहारे और मोहित का नाम लिखकर समाजवादी पार्टी को घेर रही है।
So the Samajwadi Party is claiming that their man, their leader, has been framed, and while the family is maintaining they are constantly receiving threats in this case to silence the matter. I want to bring in Samarth Srivastav on this. Samarth, clearly the BJP has escalated this. They are gunning after Samajwadi Party leader on this. But what are you picking up from on the ground about investigation? And I'm concerned for the girl as well, her health, her mental trauma that she's been facing. Because remember, she's minor and some say like not even 13, 14 years of age. Go ahead, Samarth.
Well, exactly, Pooja. The mental trauma of that innocent girl is going to hurt her for lifelong, because this is something with a 12-year-old girl, such an innocent minor girl. So you can expect what trauma she would be facing, though she is admitted in hospital under the observation of senior doctors who are in a way in talks with the government and the family as well, like what to do next. So, but the family is claiming that Mohit Khan and Raju was completely involved in this particular matter, and that's why Ayodhya police has arrested both of them and booked under the charges of gang rape. So, but as you see, Obviously, the politics is also on in this particular matter. BJP leaders have erected a poster in which a remark of Mulayam Singh Yadav is being recalled, where he says that ladke hain, galti ho jati hai, and the poster says that Moin Khan galti hai, galti ho jati. So these posters are erected in Lucknow's 1090 Chauraha. So these are the allegations being made as BJP leaders are training guns at the Samajwadi Party, while the SP leaders are claiming that why the BJP leaders were not speaking when incidents like BHU happened. So it's a cross allegations coming from both ends. But if you talk about the investigation, yes, investigation is on, and you can expect another bulldozer action by tomorrow, because today is the Kavan Yatra in Ayodhya, and that's why the entire police security and the forces from different police stations are deployed for that purpose, and that's why there is no action happening today in terms of bulldozer. But as we know, the SDMs are roaming around the areas of Bhadarsa and are mapping the illegal lands being occupied by the people living there in that particular locality, and also they are also in a way finding the localities, the areas which are in a way comprised with the properties of Mohit Khan. As so far they found a complex whose 1/3 portion belongs to Mohit Khan, while the residence of Mohit Khan is also under scrutiny by the administration, and we can expect another bulldozer action by tomorrow in Ayodhya.
Okay.
But as far as the investigation is concerned, the two major culprits are behind the bars, and we may expect some more stern action in the days to come. Back to you.
More importantly, there has to be a thorough independent investigation, and specifically with regard to the help that the girl here definitely needs. Thank you very much, Samarth. I'll come back to Samarth. Has been constantly interacting with the family and is updating us on this. Remember, she's about 12 to 13 years of age, definitely a minor girl. Gang raped and lured, basically groomed for about 2 months. This happened in Ayodhya. The accusation is against the man you see on your screen, Mohit Khan. He's a leader of Samajwadi Party, and his employee Raju Khan. The Samajwadi Party leaders are saying all of this is being framed against him, but the family is also saying that SP followers are constantly threatening them, intimidating them. Here's a special report of how this sensitive case has taken political communal overtones. Ayodhya's child rape horror has sent shockwaves across the country. A 12-year-old girl allegedly gang raped for over 2 months, and the accusation is against a Samajwadi Party Neta and his aide. The accused Samajwadi Party leader is 65-year-old Mohit Khan, ran an illegal bakery in Ayodhya. The child, who is from the backward Nishad caste, was allegedly lured with food.
हमारे बेटे बेकरी में है, खेते में है, काम करके लौटे है बेकरी से, माँ कहीं ना मुँह इधर तो राजू कहीं तोस ले जाओ, तोस के बहाना है हमारे बेटिया का बलात्कार किया है।
तो आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि मोहित खान ही इस पूरी घटना के पीछे आरोपी है?
हाँ, पूरा घटना मोहित खान।
The child rape survivor's mother revealed death threats to her entire family from Samajwadi Party leaders who are forcing her to withdraw the case.
वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि सबको मार डालेंगे, धमकी दे रहे हैं मुसलमान ने। यही के रहने वाले कहाँ बाहर के नहीं, भदरसा के।
Two Samajwadi Party leaders, including a Panchayat head, Mohammad Rashid, were booked for threatening the child and her family at a hospital.
खबर चली कि दबाव बनवाया गया पैसे देकर आपको चुप रहने।
राशिद का था, राशिद।
राशिद कौन है?
चेयरमैन
सपा के। उन्होंने क्या कहा?
सुलह कर लियो पैसा देके।
परिवार कौन झूठ बोल रहा है?
However, Mohit Khan's family is crying foul, claiming that he has been deliberately framed.
लड़की जो थी, लड़की का उस लड़के के साथ, जो राजू नाम का लड़का है, उसके साथ लड़की का अफेयर था।
राजू जो उनके साथ रहते थे?
जी, जो बेकरी में लड़का था,
क्या उम्र है उसकी?
उसकी उम्र होगी 20 साल। लड़की का अफेयर था उसके साथ। अगर लड़की 2 महीने 2.5 महीने की प्रेग्नेंट है, तो कैसे उसकी माँ को नहीं पता चला कि लड़की प्रेग्नेंट है?
Samajwadi Party is defending Mohit Khan, with party chief Akhilesh Yadav seeking a DNA test on the girl to nab the real culprit, drawing the BJP ire.
त्वरित और निष्पक्ष जांच और उसका निस्तारण जो समस्या का है वो तुरंत करें। बलात्कार हुआ है और इसके लिए डीएनए टेस्ट यदि हो जाएगा तो सत्यापन भी हो जाएगा। बच्ची को हर तरह की मदद और हर तरह की सुरक्षा सरकार दे।
जिस तरह से उस परिवार को धमकाने की कोशिश की गई, लालच देने की कोशिश की गई, दुर्भाग्य इस देश का है कि ये घटनाएं भी कहाँ हो रही हैं, किसके साथ हो रही हैं, ये भी देखा जा रहा है। आज तक कोई भी विपक्ष का नेता नहीं आया, एक भी नहीं आया, नहीं पूरा का पूरा प्रियंका सहित पूरा डेलीगेट पहुंच जाता।
A BJP delegation met the child survivor's family, assuring them of justice, and also slammed Akhilesh Yadav for betraying a backward class rape survivor.
दुखद ये है कि समाजवादी पार्टी के बड़े नेता अखिलेश यादव जी, समाजवादी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता नार्को टेस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, डीएनए की बात कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब साफ है कि समाजवादी लोग पीड़िता परिवार के साथ नहीं है, अपराधियों के साथ है। यानी समाजवादियों ने अपने रूप को आखिर दिखाई दिया है।
The child rights body slammed Akhilesh Yadav for the DNA test demand. With Samarth Srivastav in Ayodhya, Bureau Report, India Today.